Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's sketch a portrait. Yes, as you can see, it's Taylor Swift. I think whenever people try to draw a face or portrait, they tend to get super nervous because they know the likeness is everything. They are so scared to mess up the nose, eyes, or the lip. So the portrait ends up looking like another person. For me, I think face or portrait is just another subject. I focus on big shape and big lines. And I made some helpful lines in this video with special sound effect to let you know where they are located when I draw a face. And the first step, of course, is to draw the face line. Love to get the shape of the face in. And you can measure, use ruler, use whatever tool you have. And then you can put the eyes line and the nose line in. Just practice. Don't use eraser too often. Draw lightly. If you have a tendency to draw strong, I recommend you to use HB pencil or 2H. This can help you draw lightly. And gradually you can train to 2B or even higher pencil. And as you can see, I did not draw super fast. I have to confess, I used ruler before I start this video, so I roughly know where the eye and nose and lip located. We all do that. We have to measure something to start with, especially portrait. But in the sketch phase, I think you cannot get so constrained by the likeness. Otherwise, you can't get anything done by the end of the day. I think this video is helpful for you guys. And there will be another video for me coloring this face. I'm still considering either watercolor or acrylic. So stay tuned for the part 2. And thanks everyone watching this video.